Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming support. iPhone 8 and later have Qi charging. Newer models add MagSafe for stronger alignment. Once done, plug the charger into power and use an Apple-certified cable. This ensures steady current and safety. Make sure to remove very thick or metal cases because they block energy transfer and can overheat the phone. You want the phone sitting flat and centered on the pad so coils align. This is the first actionable move to get charging to begin. Now you position and confirm. Lay the iPhone flat, center the back over the pad, and watch for the on-screen battery icon or sound that indicates charging. For MagSafe devices, you should feel a magnetic snap that helps alignment. If it doesn't snap, shift the phone slightly. Make sure airplane mode is off so the system can manage thermal behavior. You may enable Do Not Disturb to avoid interruptions. If charging is slow, try removing case or repositioning. Small shifts change coil coupling significantly. To finish, set the phone down and let charging stabilize. Background apps and temperature affect rate, so the device may take a few minutes to show steady % increase. If charging fails, first inspect the cable and adapter for damage, then try a different outlet or a known good Qi charger. Next, restart the iPhone and check for iOS updates. Make sure no metal objects or magnetic accessories are between phone and pad. If problems persist, contact support. Often a swap of charger or software update fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.